How to change language in a Wikipedia account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and search for Wikipedia. Then from the search results, you want to click on the option that appears first. On the home page itself, you're going to find different articles in different languages. If you click on the option of Read Wikipedia in your language option, you're going to find thousands of languages to choose from. You can click on any of your preferred language. Then the article as well as all the options in Wikipedia is going to be changed on the language that you have selected. Now this is one way on how you can change language on Wikipedia page itself. However, if you want to change the language on the Wikipedia account, you simply have to click on the option of Login, then enter your username. After that, enter your password and click on the Login option. Once you have been logged in, click on the user located at the top right corner of your Wikipedia page. Then from the drop-down menu, you want to select Preferences. Then you want to click on the option of Appearance. Now choose the option of Language. From there, you can select your preferred language from the drop-down menu. Even if you are not logged into your account, whenever you open up any article, you can find the option to choose your preferred language. On the right hand side, click on the option of languages, and from the drop down menu, you're going to find all the available languages. Click on any of the language that you prefer. Once you click on it, you will see that the entire page has been changed into your preferred language. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.